Hey, do you want to host your static site online for free? You don't want to use Google Drive, you don't want to use GitHub, you don't want to use any other hosting service that's online. You just want to use vercel. Okay? So, first things first, go to the link below, click the link, make an account. Cool, once you've done that, type CMD, go to command prompt. There you go. Cool. After that, go to the description below, copy and paste npm install -g vercel. I'm not going to do that, I already have it installed. Next, navigate to where you need to go. As you can see, I've created one right here called Hello World. Click that, right click it, okay, and copy its path. Go back to command prompt, type cd, then Control V, just paste it in. Cool, enter. Wow, and now you're at your location. Make sure that this file is called index. Okay, cool, go to the description. Copy and paste vercel login, or type it in if you want. Press enter. It'll then tell you to press enter to open browser, so press enter. Cool. Authorized app, click allow. Go back into your command prompt. Cool. Next, type vercel. Press enter. Set up and deploy. Well, if you want to set it up, type yes. Which scope should contain your project? That one. Press enter. Link to an existing project. No, this is a new one. What's your project's name? It already says hello world, so just press enter. Cool. In which directory? Because we're already in our directory, just press enter. Cool, want to modify these settings? No. You want to change additional project settings? No. And just like that, it's online. Go to your account. Go to dashboard. Right here, you'll see a link. Boom, that takes you to your site. Whoa, crazy. I forgot to tell you, if you want to update something and you've still got the command prompt open, if you change your code or anything, all you have to do is copy and paste this. vercel -- prod. Press enter. Boom, look at that. Updated. Refresh. Boom. Updated. How crazy is that? Absolutely fantastic. And all you have to do from this point on is log into vercel. It should find your project and you should be able to just update it whenever. Yeah.